Welcome to the second part of our CSS and HTML for styling and creating our nav and body components. Last we left off, this is where we were at. We had a basic nav bar and some buttons here that we made as list items. So there's one more aspect of the nav bar I want to do for now, and that is I want to make it so that when we hover over the buttons, they actually look like they're doing something. So we're going to create a new property called li hover. And here we're just going to change the background color. So let's select this color again, and then we'll go even darker. Okay, and when we go to our page, you can see that when we highlight over these, they actually change their styling. They actually look different. So that's awesome. Now we need to create our body. So let's go to our app.component.html and uncomment our app.body and save that. And you'll see, okay, that comes back. So I'm thinking for this website, let's just do kind of a square that takes up most of the screen, okay? So let's close out of these tabs and let's go to the body.component.html, change this to a div, and we're going to give this an ID of main body. Now let's go to body.component.css, and we're going to say for the ID of main body, we want to create, let's again do a border of 1 pixel solid black. Let's do a width of, let's see, so this was 300. I'd say about 3 times as much, so maybe 900 pixels. And again, this could look different for you on whatever screen size you're using, so just adjust it to be however you want. Okay, so all right, there's that. There's nothing currently in it, so let's well, we're actually going to create a height, and let's actually do 1,000 pixels. And we'll do the same, we'll do 15, no, let's just do 1,000 pixels for the height. It's going to be a weird website. All right. Oh, I guess we should probably shrink that a little bit. Let's go to 800 pixels on the height. Great. Now let's center this by giving it a margin of 10 pixels on the top and bottom and auto on the sides to be centered. Great. So what we want to have happen here is whenever we click on one of these buttons, we want the content in this box to change. So in the next video, this is all the styling I'm going to do for now. Feel free to make it more complex, but I want to focus more on the Angular, so I want to get back to that. But feel free to make this your own. And in the next video, we're going to make some components for each of these pages that we can put into this view. And then we'll start talking about routing. So I'll see you in the next video.